Well, if you've ever wanted to sit comfortably on the floor during yoga, listen up. You probably wouldn't do it in the kitchen. But Wendy Landry of Prana Yoga in Parkville shows us how to make easy sitting pose comfy.
For most people, sitting down on the floor or sitting crisscross applesauce is difficult because of tight hips. But not only is it difficult, it makes it difficult to breathe. So we're gonna work with my friend Lauren here today. As you can see, she's sitting on the floor, and you can see that her knees are higher than her hips. And because of this, her lower back is gonna start to round, and she's been sitting here for a couple minutes, and you see her shoulders are starting to round. So she's not able to breathe as deeply as she would probably like to. So instead of sitting on the floor, I've folded a couple blankets, and I'm gonna slide those under her, and we're gonna see how that works. So this is a little bit better. The knees are almost in line with the hips. Is that as comfortable as you think it could be?
It's better.
Okay, it's better. Let's try one more blanket. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay, great. So now you can see her knees are a little bit below her hips. See how much higher her shoulders are. And so now she'll be able to just rest her hands in her lap here so her shoulders can start to relax, and then she can start focusing on breathing.
And the great thing is you can sit in this pose for any length of time, and if you do it regularly, you might want to alternate which leg you cross in front first.